before analyzing your data, you need to import it. Yeah, this sounds obvious, I know. But oftentimes I've seen researchers fire up Excel, check simple things as the number of rows, the number of columns, and sometimes it takes forever. Mind you, this is not a video against Excel. It's a very, very powerful tool. But for data analysis, I do feel that sometimes it makes things a bit laborious, especially when you compare the efficiency to programming languages like SQL, Python, and R. So for today, I'm going to take us through importing a data in R and just getting a quick overview and quick summary of the data, getting some descriptive statistics that can help us understand the data. And for this, we'll be working with the PADI dataset, which I've saved right here. To begin, I'm going to open a new script and I'll use the read.csv function. The first argument is the file, which helps us locate where the file is. And on pressing tab, I can locate it right here. Now we have CSV Data, then PADI dataset. One thing I like to do is always to save my data imports as expected, and this is all right. This works well. Yeah, so now I can save this to a variable. I'll call this PADI TBL. Now, if I want to see how PADI TBL looks like, getting the spreadsheet like feel and view, I'll click on this here, and it's going to open it. And the nice thing about the latest version of R is it's having this kind of data summary properties here that just gives quick visualization and everything. And yeah, you see the columns, you see the different data. Now moving on, to understand the dimension, I'll use str, stands for structure, just to understand the structure of the data. There we have PADI TBL. And on running this has given us quite a lot. But let's go to the top. You see we have more than 2,500 observations here with 45 variables. And if we look closely, we can see that each variable and their data types are also presented here. The first one is an integer, the next is a character, and on like that. This is something that is really nice. And this is something that makes programming languages in general very powerful. Then moving on, let's get a quick descriptive statistics of the data. And for that, we'll use summary. Then we put our data there. PADI TBL. Right here. This usually requires pivot tables sometimes in Excel, and the use of multiple formulas, counting, and other formulas, which, of course, remember what I said. I have nothing against Excel, but it's having a lot of drawbacks. And not just that, sometimes some of the things that we use it for, the programming languages like R, Python, and SQL can do it faster. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Do well to like, subscribe, follow, and support EU Study Assist. I will keep releasing short videos like this and other videos that help us level up our R skills, our Python skills, and SQL skills.